previous episode, we landed in Goa, and on checking in our hotel, the first thing we did was renting out a scooty, after which we reached to the market for some shopping and then headed to our second destination in North Goa, exploring some more destinations in North Goa in today's episode. So let's go. Now we are heading to our third destination, so let's see what's that. So excited.
Guys, I have come to this location after 2019 and this year 2025, and I am so loving it. Just look at the floor. So we just seen the Harvalam waterfall, and I have come to this place after 2019. Last I visited this place and it was really amazing. The color of the water is changed. That time it was brown and this time it was white, but apart from that the flow is extremely amazing and it is just the same. And I have just shown you that, and I really feel so happy to visit a place which I have been to long back in 2019, and today we are in 2025 monsoon and we still enjoy the same thing. I really love showing this to you guys and hope to see more best in this Goa episode.
Before it gets dark, we need to reach Fontanas, the Latin Quarter, where shootings of all the best Golmaal have taken place, and I'm sure we'll get to see some exciting views there. So let's head to it and reach there soon. गाइस, मैं फोंटेनास में आ तो गई थी, बट यहाँ पे कुछ है नहीं खास वैसे सब कुछ, मतलब ना शॉपिंग है, ना कैफ़े है, ना कुछ, और फोटोग्राफी वीडियोग्राफी भी बैंड है, तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डोंट हैव एनीथिंग हियर. Alright guys, so as I have reached my room and I would need little rest, actually lots and lots of rest, because I am actually too worked up today. I have headache as I did not keep myself hydrated. So headache इसके लिए हो रहा है because मैंने पानी actually पिया ही नहीं. मैंने पानी पीना चाहिए था as my first solo trip. But everything is a learning, and I think it is not bad. Let's see you tomorrow in day 2. Good morning guys, this is day 2 in Goa. और कल जैसे कि मैं बहुत थक गई थी and today I have woke up, और गाड़ी पे बहुत मिस्ट है. आज भी हम लोग कुछ 2-3 लोकेशन कवर करने के लिए ट्राई करेंगे, सो देखते हैं कितने होते हैं. लेट मी शो यू द मिस्ट ऑन माई स्कूटी. ये देखो, सुबह मैं उठ के आई थी जब बाइक निकलने, तो देखो कितना मिस्ट है. बाकी अपना सब रेडी है. ये रहा एक्शन कैमरा, और यहाँ पर मैं अपना फ़ोन माउंट करूँगी मैप के लिए. तो चलो चलते हैं. Heading to our 5th location near Panjim in North Goa, and I would not tell you before we reach there so that you can explore the place.
So guys, I'm at the Kara viewpoint right now. You can see behind me. I can't call it a beach like kind of a thing. It's very small yet very calm, if you can notice. There are few people boating here and it's very calm.
ये देखो, ऐसे प्यारे से झूले जैसे यहाँ पे इन्होंने रखे हैं. प्रिटी ना, अच्छा लग रहा है. डस्टबिन्स भी रखे हैं यहाँ पर इन्होंने. फिर भी कुछ लोगों ने ये हरकत की है, तो प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस गाइस. ये बॉटल्स वगैरह यहाँ पर आप मत छोड़ा करो. मतलब ऑनेस्टली मुझे तो यहाँ पर आकर अच्छा लगा. सुबह एक अच्छी सी राइड ली मैंने. रोड भी काफ़ी अच्छा था और सुबह जब चलाओगे तो थोड़ा केयरफुली चलाना बिकॉज सारे व्हीकल्स बहुत स्पीड में रहते हैं, बट आई जस्ट लव द राइड हियर एज वेल एज द कामनेस हियर एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। यहाँ पर जो पीछे मैंने आपको दिखाया ये स्विंग्स भी रखे हुए हैं, तो अगर आपको स्विंग्स वगैरह करने में इंटरेस्ट हो, वैसे ज़्यादा वेट ले पाएंगे या नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया है। तो दिस इज़ कारा बीच। ये आपको दोना पावला से नज़दीक पड़ेगा, तो अगर आप दोना पावला आने को प्लान कर रहे हो तो आप कारा बीच भी आ सकते हो। स्विम वगैरह आप यहाँ पर नहीं कर सकते, सो डोंट होल्ड मी फॉर दैट। लेकिन या इट्स अ गुड प्लेस इफ़ यू जस्ट वांट टू एन्जॉय द व्यू। बहुत अच्छी जगह है अगर आपको शांति चाहिए। Well, right now we are heading to the Coconut View Road. We have just starting ride on the Coconut View Road, and the Coconut View Road is not very huge. You can see that we are riding on the road, and in no time once the road starts it also ends very quickly. You hardly get to see any coconut trees on this Coconut View Road near Panjim in North Goa, but I would definitely suggest you to visit the Para Coconut Tree Road instead of the Coconut View Road. Para Coconut Tree Road is close to Kalangut and Baga in North Goa, and you can actually have a picturesque moment. And I cannot forget telling you that there are many Hindi movie shootings, Bollywood shootings have taken place on this road, like Dil Chahta Hai, Dear Zindagi. So you can have lovely moments, lovely pictures enjoying this road. I was riding my red Fasino with a red helmet and in a cool blue midi. I really loved clicking pictures here. I loved riding here, and there were many tourists which were visiting this place, so they also were enjoying this place, and I'm sure you will love actually being to this place. So please do not forget visiting the Para Coconut Tree Road instead of the Coconut View Road, which will leave you surprised. So let's head to our 7th location near Panjim in North Goa, and that is the Miramar Beach. So guys, we are at Miramar Beach now. तो हमने गाड़ी बाहर पार्क कर ली है and now we are heading to the beach. This is also the kids play area only. यहाँ पर कुछ लोग वॉलीबॉल खेल रहे हैं, having a lovely time. वैसे ये बीच मेरे होटल से बहुत नज़दीक है, और बाइक वापस करने के लिए भी मेरे पास थोड़ा टाइम था, और ये ऐसे पाथ बनाया है वॉक करने के लिए आगे तक। Well, today's day does not end here, but I would want you to stay tuned until the next episode to get some more insights on Goa in monsoon. If you like the video, then please do leave a like, leave a comment, share the video to your closed ones, or if anybody is planning for the location. Until then, I'll see you soon in the next one.